Good day, Madam and Sir. I'm Anjanette Justin Sevilla. I'm 33 years old. I have a live-in partner in Philippines. We have one daughter. And here in Hong Kong, I'm working as domestic helper for 3 years and 4 months. And my skills is cleaning, cooking, ironing, marketing, laundrying, wash the car, and then in elderly care, I have experience taking care in my grandmother. She is disabled, and then from newborn to kids in my daughter, and also pet care, and also I have a knowledge in computer, and also I can teach the kids, but I'm not a teacher. And my personality is cheerful, caring, and also I'm hardworking person. And then I can work with coworker, or even if I am alone, it's okay to me. And then I prefer job newborn kids or elderly care, it's okay to me. That's it. Thank you, Madam and Sir, and have a nice day.